Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the Apple ID linked to Game Center. This is the account you'll change. Next, make sure the device is online and unlocked because the reset sends codes and prompts. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you need a trusted device or a reachable phone number to receive verification. Without that, you must recover the Apple ID first. Once these prerequisites are in place, open Settings and tap your name to start the password reset flow for your Apple ID, which controls Game Center. You now perform the reset by navigating to Settings, then tap your name and password in Security. This is where Apple manages credentials. Tap Change Password and enter your device passcode when asked. That proves you control the device. After that, follow on-screen steps. Enter the verification code sent to a trusted device or phone number, create a strong new password, and confirm it. Make sure the new password meets Apple's requirements, so you avoid repeated prompts and keep Game Center tied to the updated Apple ID. Finish by signing back into Game Center if the reset logged you out. Open Settings right arrow Game Center and confirm your Apple ID shows as signed in. Make sure you update the new password across other devices and apps that use the same Apple ID to prevent sync errors. If you cannot receive verification codes or are locked out, start Apple ID account recovery. It can take days, but is the official fallback. If things go wrong, check your network and trusted device availability before initiating recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.